I use this pickle jar kind of as a guide as to how round I wanted my shark. First, I'm just going to cut my poster board to how big I want my shark's body to be. Then I'm just going to hot glue everything together. Once I have my body glued together, I'm going to cut out pieces for the mouth. I'm going to just cut a couple of slits on the top and bottom lip so that way I can start forming the mouth. Once I have my slits, I'm just going to glue them together and start shaping the mouth. Once I have shaped the mouth the way that I want it, I'm just going to cut out 2 fins for the side and a dorsal fin for the top and glue them on. Now I'm just going to cut a white strip so that I can make some teeth. After I cut out the teeth, I glued them on, and this is what it looks like so far. Now I'm just going to glue on some eyeballs. After I glued on the eyeballs, I ended up cutting out a piece of white and gluing it on his belly. And I wanted my shark to look like he was coming out of water, so I cut him at a slant and glued him onto a base. Ended up making waves with the hot glue gun, and this is how he came out. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up.